Good morning, ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan Roberts with Crypto Academy. Today, I would like to give you an overview of the last few weeks, no, last 7 days. And actually, we see the market is consolidating within a narrow trading range. As you can see here on Coin360, we see here a slight rebound from the lows of the recent lows. And Bitcoin is trading around $17,000, and whereas Ethereum is trading around $1,258. Both up decently, plus 5% plus 7.7% for Ethereum last 7 days, and BNB is a little bit under pressure, and XRP also a little bit under pressure the last 7 days. Runner-up, actually, I see also is Dodge, Cardano, and some stable coins, they are into the green as well. And if we can take a look at the total market cap, the total amount of cryptos is now 21,950, whereas the market capitalization is around $852 billion dollars. So that's a little bit on the low side. The Bitcoin dominance is approximately 38%, Ethereum 18%. So that means that the total market cap both is 56%. And you see that the last 24 hours, the market is under pressure as well, correcting a tad from the recent rally from the lows. Only Solana is holding up a little bit, but as you can see, the top 10 coins, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, number 1 and 2. Stable coins, Tether, BNB is also in the middle. Number 4, USDC coin is number 5. Binance USD, also a stable coin, number 6. And 7, 8, and 9 are XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano. Polygon and Matic has been rising the last 7 days as well, quite decently, almost 10%. And the thing is that we have to take a look at the market in total. And the total market cap, you can see here, is $806 billion. And you can see the low of November was around the level, a little bit tad lower than the low of June, July. And now the market is rebounding a little bit, but not convincing enough. And also the total market cap, excluding BTC, shows the same performance as well. Also trading around and below the level of June. Bitcoin is here. The Bitcoin. Bitcoin here is around $17,000, as you can see, consolidating almost 1 month already, 17,000, with a high of 21,500, and the low side is something around 15,000-ish, 15,300 dollars. There's a lower end of the trading range. The very tight range is now the upside on 18,000, and the higher end is at 22,000. So the market has still some upside potential, and also Ethereum. Take a look here. So Ethereum actually is trading around 1,255, and also correcting a little bit to the upside. Not really convincing because the market has formed a double bottom around 1,050, and the upside is limited to 1,400 to 1,700. If we take a look at the total crypto market, the Fear and greed index shows the indicator that is now extremely fear, 25. Um, and last week it was 26. Last month was the fear 40, and yesterday also 26, and now 25. So that means that in comparison with last month, the market sentiment has diminished, deteriorated very much. If we take a look at the Bitcoin treasuries, here it's a very interesting point that is you can see the yellow line on the right hand side. You can see that the Bitcoin holdings are steadily rising a little bit, so it's not dropping, and that is quite peculiar because the market dropped. So you would also expect that big parties are uh, getting rid of their Bitcoin holdings, but it's not not the truth. And MicroStrategy is still number one with 130,000 Bitcoins in total, and Marathon number two, also 10,055 Bitcoins. Yeah, Tesla, that is not surprised. It is a little bit decreasing their holdings. Block with ticker symbol Square SQ is now around 8,027 Bitcoin holdings. Hot mining also not very much change. And also you can see here, for instance, when you take a look at MicroStrategy, if you click on that, then you can see how and what is MicroStrategy doing. And as you can see here, the yellow line are the Bitcoin holdings, and the BTC value is, of course, dropping. The Bitcoin price is really low, and the stock price, that is the light blue line in the middle, is also correlated, of course, to the Bitcoin price is in the middle, and the blue one, the lower one, that is the stock price, is correlated with Bitcoin price. It's not surprising, of course. What we can take a look at as well is the stock to flow model. If you take a look at the stock to flow model at this moment, you can see that the Bitcoin halving is being estimated around 2024. And I've also read in the news that the Bitcoin halving would be at the end of 2023, so next year. So it's quite interesting to see what will happen. Um, Actually, the stock to flow model it shows a model price of 110,000 more or less. So that means that the market is discounting the Bitcoin severely, more than 85%. So 83%. So that's interesting to see. But also, when you see the halving taking place, after that, the market is rallying to the upside. And also, now correcting a little bit, but you can see also the price, the BTC price is fluctuating around the blue line. And that means that now we would have some upside potential. So in this case, what I would do is what I'm also doing is every month I buy something this lower level. So on the long run, in the expectation that the Bitcoin price will be higher. Actually, what is also very noteworthy is that the market route at this moment is not nice, of course, but it's also nice that there are also buying opportunities. So Goldman Sachs, for instance, um, they are allegedly to spend tens of millions on discounted crypto investment after FTX implosion, according to a report. And at Goldman Sachs, this is one of the world's biggest, large investment banks. Um, they are looking for buying opportunities of companies, of crypto firms whose valuations have been hit severely after the implosion of FTX. And as you know, that the crypto exchange FTX filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on November 11, and following worrying revelations about its financials and relationship to trading firm Alameda Research. And also after that, lender BlockFi which has been declared bankruptcy in the same month, also has been hit by the contagion. But what McDormand sees, McDormand is head of digital assets. He says we do see some really interesting opportunities priced much more sensibly. In other words, they are looking for discounted and also companies who are under pressure. So that means that the bigger investors are stepping into the market. So the question is, what are you doing? Are you stepping on the sidelines, or or will you also step into the market? So the choice is yours. You can stay at the sideline, of course. That's your choice. But also, what you can do is to join us also with the crypto servers and with shots in front of open goal, so you can kick goals very easily or with a header. And anyway, if you are interested, go to cryptoacademy.nl, and also you can take a look for more information on our website. And I hope that you are doing well. Stay safe and healthy. And of course, this is not financial advice, but merely and purely for educational purposes. Wish you a very pleasant day. Hasta la vista. Bye.